Hey everyone, welcome back to Nathan Health and Fitness. In today's video, we'll explore three amazing foods that can boost your brain health and help protect it from diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But before we dive in, if you haven't watched my previous video about strengthening your digestive system, be sure to check it out. I've included the link in the description below. Watch it, share your feedback in the comments, and let me know your thoughts. So without further ado, let's jump into today's topic. Nutrition plays an important role in maintaining brain health as it influences a series of cognitive functions, such as attention, memory, and learning, thus protecting the brain from the development of various neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. There are some foods which, following the results of some scientific studies, have been shown to possess neuroprotective properties. But what are they? Let's go see. Blueberries are small berries that are dark blue, purple, black, or red, depending on the variety. Native to northern areas of Europe and North America, blueberries generally grow in the woods of mountain areas where the cold climate favors their growth. Blueberries are rich in nutrients essential for health, including vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin K, antioxidants such as anthocyanins, and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and manganese. Benefits of blueberries on the brain. Recent clinical research has shown that blueberries provide a number of benefits to the nervous system, particularly due to their potential neuroprotective effect. Anthocyanins can protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. By improving cardiovascular health, they promote a better supply of blood and oxygen to the brain. Scientists have found that regular intake of polyphenol-rich fruits, such as blueberries, can delay the onset of brain aging and age-related neurodegenerative diseases thanks to their strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The high content of antioxidant substances in blueberries improves cognitive performance and memory at all ages and protects the brain in the elderly. Characterized by a hard and resistant shell that protects the internal seed, are the fruit of the white walnut, a long-lived tree whose origins date back over 9,000 years in the current areas of Asia Minor. At breakfast, together with yogurt, as a snack before lunch or dinner, or to accompany main dishes such as pasta, rice, chicken, and salads, walnuts can be used in a wide range of recipes. Benefits of walnuts on the brain. Some studies conducted on animals and humans suggest that introducing walnuts into our diet improves cognitive function and reduces the risk and progression of cognitive impairment, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease. This is because walnuts contain a number of potentially neuroprotective components, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, an essential fatty acid in the omega-3 family. Alpha-linolenic acid has neuroprotective, anti-inflammatory, and antidepressant properties. It improves memory and learning ability and increases the secretion of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein essential for maintaining and creating new brain cells. Walnuts also appear to reduce the risk and progression of Parkinson's disease, stroke, depression, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes. The Food and Drug Administration recommends a daily consumption of nuts equal to 30 grams. Fatty fish rich in high-quality protein, good fats, essential vitamins, and minerals, fish offer a wide range of health benefits when included in a healthy, balanced diet. Fish are one of the best dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids, essential polyunsaturated fatty acids with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antithrombotic properties. Fatty fish include salmon, tuna, mackerel, trout, sardines, herring, and anchovies. Benefits of omega-3 on the brain. Consuming omega-3 is associated with improved learning, memory, cognitive well-being, and blood flow in the brain. Studies indicate that omega-3 can slow cognitive decline and prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, a type of omega-3, reduces the accumulation of inflammatory cytokines, counters the formation of amyloid plaques, and protects the brain from oxidative stress. The American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 2 servings of fatty, non-fried fish per week. Leafy green vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, rich in vitamins and minerals and low in calories, can help keep your brain healthy. This group includes cabbage, lettuce, spinach. According to studies, consuming 1 portion of leafy green vegetables a day can help slow cognitive decline with aging. Their neuroprotective effects are due to lutein, folate, beta-carotene, and vitamin K1, phylloquinone. Benefits of leafy green vegetables on the brain. Vitamin K1 plays a role in the central nervous system, particularly in the synthesis of sphingolipids, essential for brain cell membranes. Higher levels of vitamin K1 have been associated with better cognitive and behavioral abilities. Nutrition plays an important role in maintaining brain health, improving cognitive functions, and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Adding brain-friendly foods like blueberries, walnuts, fatty fish, and leafy green vegetables to your diet can make a significant difference in preserving your brain health. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the latest updates on health and fitness. Your support motivates us to bring you even better content. Thank you.